station.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario and the National Capital Region at 9:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, August 7th, 2013. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Caledon and Halton Hills, Milton. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for City of Toronto, City of Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County. Environment Canada continues squall watch for Western Lake Ontario at 8:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, August 7th, 2013. Environment Canada has ended squall watch for Lake Simcoe at 8:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, August 7th, 2013.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour une alerte d'orage violent pour sud de l'Ontario et la région du Capitale-Nationale à 21h13, heure avancée de l'Est, le mercredi 7 août 2013. Une alerte d'orage violent est émise pour Caledon et Halton Hills. Milton, une veille d'orage violent est maintenue pour la ville de Toronto, la ville de Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, région de York, Nord, Pickering, Oshawa, région de Durham, Sud,